Hello students, this is Miss Susan, your Piano Fun at Home teacher. Welcome back to your piano lessons. This lesson is number 4 in the series and we will do part A. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Come, let us have our piano lesson. Well, today what we will do is to review some of the ideas from the last lesson. We're going to start with some finger stretches and some finger exercises. So before we get to the piano, let's get our hands all stretched out and ready to go. Can you put your fingertips together like this, and like this, okay? Now let's stretch this way a little bit. And this way, and this way. Don't hurt yourself, just stretch nicely, okay? And now we want to make nice curved fingers. This is how you play. You don't play like this, okay? Can you see that when your fingers are bent or your fingers are flat? We can't have bent fingers. They have to be curved fingers. So they're very, very strong. Now push. Push, 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 and make them strong. Let go. And let's do it again. Push, 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 and make them strong. Very good. Now, let's do a finger number exercise. Let's start with finger number 3. You see finger number 3? Tap, 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 finger number 3. And finger number 5, pinky, 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 pinky. Finger number 1, thumbkin. Finger number 2. And now here's the hardest one. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. You got that one? And then 3, and 2, and 5. And then let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your thumbkin in there. Very good. Now come to the piano and we will play a finger number exercise. Here is a song that everybody knows. It's Jingle Bells. Now what I want you to do is to take your right hand. We're going to play this first with the right hand and then we're going to play it with the left hand. So take your right hand, finger number 3, and I want you to put it on B. Can you find that song, that note? Put the finger on B. Okay? Now, do you see how we have notes together and then there's a space? That's a half note. It means we hold it. So let's play this. Ready? 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now hold that for a long time. Here's your 4s. Hold it, hold it, hold, 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 2, 3, 4. Very good. How did you do? Okay, now let's tilt this a little bit and we'll play it with the left hand. Now remember your fingers are backwards. So you still take the left hand, whoops, let's see what we got here. You take finger number 3 and you put it on B. If you can take finger number 3 and put it on B, and we'll get the same sound. I'm going to put it on this B down here. Ready? Let's play the left hand. like that song. Now you have a song that you can play at Christmas time. In our last lesson, we learned about quarter notes and half notes. We learned that a quarter note looks like this. It's a circle that's all colored in and it has a stem. It gets one count and it's called a quarter note. And we learned that if it has a circle that's not colored in and has a stem, it gets 2 counts. And then we played some exercises. Well, today we're going to play exercises on this paper. Let's get this. Okay, here we have a solid head and solid head and an open head, and these have a stem. So this gets 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. And look at how crazy this looks. These are all over the place, but it's a solid head with a stem, a solid head with a stem that goes down, a solid head with a stem that goes up, and a solid head with a stem, and they all get 1. So if we were clapping, it would go 1. We're going to start from here. Clap with me. We're going to count 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. This one gets 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's do that one more time. Ready? 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And then we have the rest of the song that we can play later. But these get 1, 1, 1, 1. These are all quarter notes. They all get 1. And here's a quarter notes. Oh, here's 2 half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Music is written on the paper on lines and spaces. The way you can tell is you look at the note and look through it. This note is a line note because when you look through it, you see the line. And when I look through this one, I see a line. This is a line. This is a line note. And this is a line note. But when I look through this note, I see a space. This is a space note. This is a space note. This is a space note. And this is a space note. Now, let's look at the other ones that they have here. Sometimes notes look like this. These are half notes. We know half notes. But when you look through this one, you see a line. So this is a line note. And this is the same thing. It's a line note. Now I look at this note and I look through the note and there's a space. So this is a space note and a space note. And I look through this one and it's a line, and I look through this one and it's a space and a space. Now sometimes you cannot see through the note, but this is a line note. This is a line note just like this is a line note, because if I could see through it, there would be a line. And if I could see through it, there would be a space. And I look at this one, this is a line note, a space note. Jump down here. Oh, these go in a row. Space, line, space, line. Sometimes they go like that, or sometimes they skip around. Line, 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 line. Now what I want to teach you is to look at the lines and the spaces. This is everybody's favorite song, Ode to Joy. It's written by Beethoven, but I changed it just a little bit to make it easy for us. Let's look at this note, at this song. Do you see how the notes go up and they go down? I'm going to take the third finger of my left hand and I'm going to put it on B, just like I did before when we played that other song. Now, this is a line. I'm telling you it's a B. And this is the same note, so you hit it again. And this is the space up. And this is the line up. So it's the next note. Now this is the same note. This is the next one down. The next one down. The next one down. The next one down. Same. The next one up. The next one up. This is the same note. The next one down. The same note. Did you do that? Was that easy for you to understand? Let's try this line. Again, we start with finger number 3. Hit the same note. Next one up. Next one up. Same. Next one down. Next down. 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 Play the same note. Up. Up. Down one. Down one. Same. Well, students, this was a long lesson because you had so much to learn. First, we did our finger stretches and we did finger number exercises and we played Jingle Bells to the finger numbers. That was fun. And we did a counting activity learned our quarter notes and our half notes, and then we talked about the lines and the spaces. We learned that notes can go up, line to a space, to a line to a space, and they can go down, and sometimes they skip around from a line to a line or a space to a space. And that is how we read music. So this is the end of your lesson. Thank you for coming. This is Miss Susan, your Piano Fun at Home teacher, saying, hurry back. Bye-bye.